Is it time to buy or sell Capricor Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore Capricor Therapeutics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th day of August in the year 2025, our system has ranked Capricor Therapeutics as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.87. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently resides within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 68.59% to an increase of 10.43%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of about -13.10%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance may fluctuate between a decline of 90.25% and an increase of 118.81% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 0.762 and 17.10. Our latest daily update for Capricor Therapeutics highlights a challenging day, with the stock price experiencing a significant decline of 13.84% during the trading session on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, the Capricor Therapeutics stock price dropped from $9.07 to $7.82. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 7.30%, reaching a low of $7.77 and a high of $8.34. While the price has decreased in 5 out of the last 10 days, it has still increased by 15.1% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on that day, which is seen as a positive sign since volume typically aligns with stock performance. The trading volume fell by 251,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $17.19 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $23.40, while the lowest was $3.71. Currently, the price stands at 66.60%, or $15.59, below the 52-week high, and 81.61%, or $34.69, below the all-time high reached on the 2nd of October, 2017, when the price peaked at $42.50. Multiple securities class actions and investor investigations were announced today against Capricor Therapeutics. These actions cover purchases made between October 9th, 2024 and July 10th, 2025, with a deadline of September 15th, 2025 for investors to seek lead plaintiff status. The filings allege violations of securities law and aim to recover losses, initiating a formal legal process that will include discovery, potential depositions, and ultimately settlement discussions or litigation. In the short term, expect increased volatility and downward pressure on CAPR shares as market participants factor in legal risks, potential damages, and disruptions to management focus. Both retail and institutional investors may reduce their positions, and news related to filings or court decisions could lead to significant price fluctuations throughout the trading day. Over the longer term, the impact will depend on the outcomes of these legal proceedings. A swift dismissal or a modest settlement would likely limit any lasting damage, while an unfavorable ruling or a substantial settlement could significantly impair cash resources, complicate fundraising efforts, dilute shareholder value, and slow down clinical and corporate initiatives, thereby diminishing long-term growth potential. Investors should closely monitor developments in the cases, as well as company disclosures regarding reserves or insurance coverage, and any implications for ongoing research and development timelines. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned CAPR a buy rating, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave CAPR an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of July 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CAPR a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, it was reported that B. Riley gave CAPR a buy rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 11th of June 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CAPR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Capricor Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Capricor Therapeutics. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The stock of Capricor Therapeutics shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $7.99 and $8.39. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 6, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 45.08%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 45 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 110 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Capricor Therapeutics. Capricor Therapeutics finds support from accumulated volume at $7.68. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a high-risk designation. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 567 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which amounts to a change of 7.3%. In the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 8.69%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Capricor Therapeutics, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 480 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Capricor Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Capricor Therapeutics is at $8.18. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Capricor Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $7.68. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Capricor Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 5th of March, 2025, when Marvin Linda executed an insider sale of 12,500 shares of common stock. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Capricor Therapeutics stock a good buy? Capricor Therapeutics currently presents several negative indicators and is experiencing a significant downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued poor performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy to a strong sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook. After evaluating the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of August, we expect Capricor Therapeutics to open higher by approximately 159 thousandths and begin trading at $7.97. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.